எல்லாமுடையான் குருவாகி இங்கேயமது அல்லல்லறுத்தான் இன்றுந்தீபர அவன் தாழ் தொழுவாம் இன்றுந்தீபர போற்றுதலுக்கும் நாளும் நம்மை நன்னெறிப்படுத்தலுக்கும் உரிய அருள்மிகு அம்பலவான பெருமான் ஆலமர் செல்வர் அம்மையப்பருடைய இன்னொருளாலும் உயிர்க்கு துணையாக திகழ்ந்து கொண்டிருக்கும் சமயக்குறவர்கள், திருமுறையாசிரியர்கள், நாயன்மார்கள், சந்தானக்குறவர்கள், ஆதீனக்குறவர்கள், திருவள்ளுவர், தொல்காப்பியராகிய சான்றோர் பெருமக்களுடைய நல்லருளாலும் திருக்கைலாய பரம்பரை மெய்கண்ட சந்தானம் பேரூர் ஆதீனம் ஆதி குருமுதல்வர் சாந்தலிங்க பெருமானுடைய தன்னருளாலும் எல்லோரும் எல்லா நலங்களும் பெற்று வாழ வாழ்த்தி மகிழ்கின்றோம். To the maximum, all of us can sit straight, close our eyes, join our palms with absolute silence. Now we are doing the meditation. In the atmosphere around us is being purified by the divine bliss. The atmosphere around us is being purified by the divine bliss. The atmosphere around us is being purified by the divine bliss. The atmosphere around us is being purified by the divine bliss. The divine bliss enters into our body, mind, and soul. The divine bliss enters into our body, mind, and soul and purifies them. The divine bliss enters into our body, mind, and soul and purifies them. We can think of our gurus and parents. We are paying our salute to them. Salutations to our gurus. Salutations to father, mother. Now we are going to chant Om 5 times. First one, lengthy O. Equal timings. All can chant together. Short O, lengthy M. Without O, omitting O. Omitting the sound also is absolute silence. By exhaling, we are chanting that hymn without sound. That is called the Pranava energy. We are feeling the energy all over the body. Today we are going to concentrate on different deities. First of all, we are think of the stem in the hands of Lord Muruga. We can assume our spinal cord as the stem in the hands of Muruga in Palani and all the temples. We are visualizing our spinal cord as the spiritual stem in the hands of Lord Muruga. Now we are inhaling and going up with the Pranava energy and also mind going to the top of the stem, that is the top of our head, coming down, exhaling with the same thought, coming down to the bottom of the spinal cord, that stem, from the bottom of the spinal cord, we are bringing up our spinal cord along with the spiritual energy to the top of the head. We are exhaling and coming down to the bottom of the spinal cord, that is the stem. We can do it for furthermore 5 times. While exhaling, we have to come down. While inhaling, we have to go to the top of the head through the spinal cord, that is the stem, spiritual stem of Lord Muruga. Next, we are going to concentrate on Lord Ganesh. We are giving the divine seat to Lord Ganesh in our heart center. In the chest, in the middle of the chest, we visualize the Lord Ganesha is situated or sitting at there. We are thinking of Lord Ganesh, inhale and exhale. While we are inhaling, we can feel the expansion of the energy all over the body. And while we are exhaling, we are shrinking to the form of the Lord Ganesh. We can do it for 5 more times. While we are inhaling, we could feel the energy of Lord Ganesh is filling all over the body. While exhaling, we can come to the center of our heart, the seating place of Lord Ganesha. Next, we are going to concentrate in the forehead, visualizing a Trishulam in the hands of Shiva Varman, the Shakti. 3 knife-like spears, Trishulam, which is in the forehead. We are inhaling and exhaling, concentrating on the Trishulam, which is situating in the forehead. We are inhaling. While we are inhaling, we could feel the energy from the spiritual Trishulam spreading all over our head and body. our brain cells are more and more charged with the spiritual energy coming from this Trishul, exhaling and coming to the level of the Trishulam in the forehead, inhaling and feel the energy all over the head in the brain cells and in our body. Our brain cells are stimulated. They are getting more and more energy, exhaling and coming to forehead. Do it for a few times. On the top of the head, we can visualize one divine wheel, the spiritual chakra, in the hands of Vishnu. The chakra, which is rotating, just like that, a chakra is rotating on the head of on our head. We can feel the rotation of the chakra, and the spiritual radiation coming from the chakra is penetrating into our brain and activate all the brain cells, giving energy to the nerves in our brain. All the brain cells and the nerves, they are getting more and more calm and peace. While inhaling and exhaling, we are visualizing or observing the rotation of the divine chakra, divine wheel of Lord Vishnu is rotating on the head. In the middle of the chakra, that is the center point of our head. Now we are visualizing a small Sivalingam, smaller and smaller than the Sivalingam in Chidambaram, Gurudev's Samadhi. It is a static pose. We are visualizing that Sivalingam, inhaling and exhaling with absolute silence, the divine Pranava energy we are concentrating on this Sivalingam, on Brahmarandra, the gateway to the God, the center point of our skull. We are inhaling and exhaling with absolute silence, the divine spiritual Pranava energy. In this calm stage of our mind, we can appeal to the Almighty, pray to the Almighty for the welfare of our well-being. By the grace of Almighty, we all may enjoy good health, long life, enough wealth, happiness, wisdom, peace, ecstasy, and all the prosperities in our life. By the grace of Almighty, we all may enjoy good health, long life, enough wealth, happiness, wisdom, peace, ecstasy, and all the prosperities in our life. We can think of our family members. They are also being blessed by the divine bliss. We can think of our friends and relatives. They are also being blessed with all the prosperities in their life. We can think of the persons, those who are closely related with our day-to-day activities by the way of word, thought, and deed. The superiors, co-workers, subordinates, all are being blessed with the prosperities in their life. We can think of the enemies, if any. They are also being blessed by the divine bliss. We can think of all the living beings, all the human beings, all over the world. All of them are being blessed with all the prosperities in their life. In this calm stage of our mind, today we can think of Swami Sivananda, Guru of Swami Sachidananda, the founder of Sivananda Ashram in Rishikesh. Today is his birthday. On his birthday, we can also get the blessings from our Gurudev and his Gurudev Swami Sivananda. All of us are getting the blessings from Swami Sivananda and Swami Sachidananda and all the disciples of Swami Sivananda. தென்னாடுடைய சிவனே போற்றி, நாட்டவர்க்கும் இறைவா போற்றி, காவாய் கனகத் திரளே போற்றி, கைலை மலையானே போற்றி போற்றி. திருச்சிற்றம்பலம். We can raise our hands above our head, slightly rub the palms, apply it on the eyes, and all over the body we are rubbing and opening our eyes and see our right palm. Potri Om Namah Shivaya. Before we are going to bless each other, I want to tell something about the meditation, what we did. First of all, we are doing one cleaning of our spinal cord with the visualization of the stem in the Lord Muruga's hand. Normally, you might have seen in the picture of Lord Muruga, there is a stem. It is not only praying Lord Muruga, but also in our body, all of you are aware that there are different chakras are there. Mooladharam, Swadhisthhanam, Manipurakam, Anagadam, Visuddhi, Agni, and Duriyam, Sahasradharam. In this all this field, there may be some stuck. While we are doing this spinal cord practice, all the stuck in the chakras or the endocrine glands, that will be cleared. After that, we did it for Lord Ganesha. That is in the heart center. Normally, it will develop the willpower within us, confidence within us. Then we are concentrating on Trishulam. Trishulam means just like three things in the sphere of Shivavarman. That is the personification of three nadis, Idagala, Pingala, and Suluti. There are, you might be aware that there are three nadis are going in our body. All the nadis are coming and joined in our forehead. That's why we are concentrating on that place. And while we are concentrating on the rotation of the chakra, it is a stimulation of our brain cells. Finally, while we are concentrating on the Sivalingam, there's a pinpointed concentration. It will develop more and more power to go above up to the absolute silence or absolute divinity. That's why we did this meditation. If anybody is having any doubt, you can ask me after the blessings. Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Pushpa Rayan. Be blessed. Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Hope Mel. Be blessed. Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Anna Marias. Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Kumari. Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Be blessed. Rev Shankar Pern. Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Be blessed. Sumadi. Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Be blessed. Vishnu. Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Be blessed. Serene Louis. Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Be blessed. Swami Sugunananda. Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Be blessed. Swami Bhaktananda. Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Be blessed. Devi James. Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Be blessed. Nisandi Pilla. Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Be blessed. Swami Karunananda. Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Be blessed. Pushpa. Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Be blessed. Madaji. Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Be blessed. Prema Jainis. Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Be blessed. Steve Goodspeed. Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Be blessed. Vishal Sobans. Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Be blessed. Karma Shanti. Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Be blessed. Sundari. Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Be blessed. Swami Saradananda. Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Be blessed. Kanuman. Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Be blessed. Jai Rayan. Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Be blessed. Jeff Kamen. Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Be blessed. Manar and Ram. Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Be blessed. Karuna. Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Be blessed. Deborah Sampson. Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Be blessed. Richard Greenstone. Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Be blessed. Satya. Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Be blessed. Geeta Brown. Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Be blessed. Potriyom Namah Shivaya. Potriyom Namah Shivaya.